are elements different?
Great question. Elements are different because each one has a different number of protons in its nucleus. And that proton number determines the element's identity and how it interacts with electrons. So, if you stay until the end, you will see how proton count creates chemical behavior, and how this connects directly to periodic trends.
That makes me wonder, how does this actually help someone learning science?
1. Understanding proton number allows you to predict chemical reactivity without memorizing every element. 2. It explains why atomic size, ionization energy, and electronegativity follow patterns across the periodic table. 3. This idea forms the foundation for bonding, acids and bases, and many medical chemistry concepts.
Okay, wait. If I could only remember one thing, what's the main idea I should remember?
Number 1. Imagine each element like a different engine, powered by a unique number of protons at its core. Number 2. The core truth is that proton number defines identity and controls nuclear attraction. Number 3. If you remember protons set identity and pull shapes behavior, you can reason through periodic trends.
Alright, this part always helps me. Can you show me how this works step by step?
1. When proton number increases, nuclear charge increases, so electrons feel a stronger pull toward the nucleus. 2. As you move across a row, protons increase, but electrons are added to the same energy level. 3. As you move down a column, new energy levels are added, and inner electrons shield outer electrons from nuclear attraction.
Oh, now my brain is picturing it in real world. Where do I actually see this in real life or medicine?
Number 1. Sodium reacts strongly with water, because it has one valence electron that is loosely held. Number 2. Fluorine strongly attracts electrons, which explains why it forms powerful chemical bonds. Number 3. Doctors monitor sodium and potassium levels, because their predictable ion behavior comes from proton-driven periodic trends.
Okay, last thing. What's the quick trick to help me remember this forever?
1. Say to yourself, protons create personality. 2. Picture each extra proton tightening the nuclear grip across the periodic table. 3. When you face a new element, pause, and ask how its proton number shapes its behavior. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together. Don't miss the quiz episode. Brains remember better when they are tested.
See you in the next episode.